Ready? Being drunk is kind of fun. Drew, can you come fart on me? Let's fight. I dare you. I dare you to sing at me.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, just say whoop.
Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm guessing that you guys probably got the notification for this video and thinking, what the heck is James doing? And trust me, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking the same exact thing. If you've been subscribed to me for a while on my social media platforms, you've heard me talk openly about the fact that I do not drink. Alcohol is just not really my thing. I never went to parties in high school and I've just never really felt the need to. But that being said, today, the day that I'm filming this is May 23rd. And if you know me, it is my birthday. And not only is it my birthday, okay, it's my 21st birthday, which obviously is the legal drinking age here in America. Although I do not enjoy drinking, I have always said to myself that I want to try it at least once in my life just to, you know, feel the vibes, see how it is, experience it, see how it would act, and just see how it would feel overall. And I feel like if there's any time to try drinking for the first time, it's on my 21st birthday. And I figured if I'm gonna, you know, try out drinking, I might as well get some good content out of it because this is probably not gonna happen again anytime soon. And I want to spend it with you guys doing a drunk makeup tutorial. I have my brand new bottle of Don Julio's 1942 and let's get started.
Oh no.
Now I do want to make a very quick disclaimer before we jump into this video because I know my audience ranges from very young kids all the way up to parents. In no way, shape, or form is this video meant to promote alcoholism or drinking. You guys know I have never been an advocate for it. I am the biggest advocate in making smart choices. If you are one of my younger followers, please do not drink until you are of age. And if you're gonna drink, please drink responsibly. And most importantly, do not get behind the wheel if you are intoxicated and don't put anybody's lives or your own in danger. I can't even believe I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through my makeup routine like normal, but I'm gonna be taking a shot of my 1942 in between each step. So I guess let's just go ahead and get started and really hope for the best with this. I'm gonna start off with my Tatcha water cream primer to give the face a nice, oh wow. I'm filming this late at night and my beard is already growing back from earlier this morning.
Showed you the picture of the girl that sent.
Someone dare me.
That's better, and now I'm just gonna grab some color corrector and really put it on the beard areas to color correct. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, I definitely do not drink. I have no interest in it, but I'm not one of those people that's like,
I've never had a sip of alcohol in my life.
because that's literally just not true. I used to have sips from my dad's beer when I was younger. Kind of tasted good, not gonna lie. In terms of like feeling drunk, I've literally never felt anything. Okay, so that is the skincare and base all complete. And before we move on to our foundation, it is time for our, I guess, second shot. Shot.
Oh!
Okay, the only thing that I'm like feeling so far is hot.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Yeah, stage one.
All right, foundation's all done, and now what is time for concealer? Another shot, here we go.
Period. We've waited for this.
It is Shape Tape time. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Shape Tape. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay, concealer done. Do I take another shot?
Yeah.
I'm so scared, you guys. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and be dead.
Remember that one time that you said you were gonna take a shot if something happened?
Yeah, we were in San Francisco in the car on the way back from Gen Beauty
Yeah, and like you got
What
like,
do
an
you-
opportunity to do something.
with the star.
Oh,
the
it was
brand.
the collab.
And you said you were gonna take a shot and you never did.
Yeah, I remember. So
now, take one right now to make
So
up
take
for
one
it.
right
I'm gonna grab my Anastasia palette.
It's 11:11. Take a shot.
Oh!
I think I'm starting to feel it.
Yeah.
It's like I'm feeling a little bit lightheaded.
Ooh. I feel like I'm going really bad.
If you had to sleep with one person in the room, who would it be?
Myself. If I was to have to sleep, like have sex with one person in this room,
We don't know the answer.
I would definitely pick Trevor.
Period. Who would be the top?
Oh, we'll just get a double-ended. It'll be too much just really smacking. I'm definitely starting to feel it. I feel like a little bit dizzy. I feel fine. I definitely feel lightheaded.
Let's pause the camera. Literally, it's like I'm gonna leave that all in. Look at James right now.
I'm gonna fill up those shot glasses.
No! Don't fill it up!
No, my God. I don't mean fill it up, like just put the shot in there. That was a lot. Ready? It's eyebrow time. I'm gonna grab my Morphe 158 brush. Use code James for 10% off.
Drunk or sober, he said business.
Period. Trying to get that bag, mama. Whoa, I'm.
Yeah.
Soroka's vodka?
Oops. Oh. Whoa, I'm definitely feeling it now. I feel heavy. Like my entire body feels like heavy. Oh, this eyebrow is like 10 inches taller than the other one.
Oh, that's an expression.
He's like, oh my god, my eyes are starting to have trouble focusing.
Well, you better put autofocus on, Mom.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god, I have to pee so bad. Can I go pee?
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't it fun? Do you see why we do it?
I'm scared to stand up. Okay, I'm fine. I'm gonna go ahead and give me my. Oh. Okay, brows are done. That means another shot, huh?
Yeah.
It's eyeshadow time.
Oh no.
Okay. So I'm gonna grab my James Charles X Morphe palette. Use code James for 10% off, and I'm gonna do a cotton candy inspired look because of my hoodie.
You're gonna try.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. First, I'm gonna grab Brother on an M456 brush. I'm gonna put this in my outer V. Now I'm gonna take an
An M456.
No, an M433.
Same thing.
Now I'm gonna take an M433 and dip into a little bit of. I have a sneeze coming.
I don't know what he's trying to do.
Now I'm gonna take a little. Now I'm gonna take it.
Oh, he's
That wasn't a good one. That was
that was an animal.
Sea lion.
Okay. Now.
No chance you're gonna get this done.
Okay. Oopsie. Sit down, please. Sit. Good boy. Stay there. I know I'm drunk. I know. Okay, just blending this out. That looks like. Where did Jesus go?
he went on a date.
On a date?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's good. He deserves that. Now I'm gonna take another M456 brush and I'm gonna grab. Stop laughing. I'm gonna take my M456 brush and I'm gonna dip into. Stop!
Oh no.
Oh no, he's laughing.
We're never gonna get through this.
Wait, give me a second.
Where did you get that?
Post sweets? Oh, now they're bottle of
Oh my god. We don't need that. Get that out of here. Being drunk is kind of fun. Yeah. Oh my god, I forgot that I have a lower lash line to do. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm over it. This looks disgusting.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. This is the M441 from Morphe. Use code James for 10% off.
James, can I blend your eyeshadow for you a little?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a little bit of blending.
Okay.
Tap it off excess and a little bit of blending.
Okay.
Oh, that's actually pretty. Okay, you're good.
Okay, thank you. Oh
That looks way better now that Drew did it.
Yeah.
Really?
So much better now that Drew touched it.
Oh my god, thank you, Drew.
I think you should just blend. Just blend, Mom.
Blend, but don't blend it. Keep going. Please.
Blend, but don't blend it! Don't blend.
in, James.
Oh, I hate this video now.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more of this Brother and I'm gonna blend it with my 456 brush underneath the eye. Oh.
Oh no!
The Bad Girls Club. Bad girls, bad girls.
I wish they could be on season 9 with Reba and Ashley. That was the best season.
With Reba and Ashley?
Yeah.
Oh, I was.
That was the
Bad
best.
Girls Club?
Yes! Of course! I get no sleep because of y'all! That was Tanisha! Tanisha!
And she
Tanisha! Okay, I'm gonna cut the crease. Still no. Finn lives a great life. Finn gets 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Finn has lots of friends. Finn is friends with Hana, and Koa, and Callie, and...
No.
Did you just fart? You just farted. Yeah, you did. Drew, can you come fart on me? I have a fat puss.
Brian, keep that in.
I'm gonna grab my M. I'm gonna dip in a little bit of Literally, which is the metallic pink shade. I'm gonna, I don't want to finish this. I'm over it.
Take a shot.
No, I'm not done with my eyeshadow yet. It needs a little bit of Sister. Let's fight. I dare you. I dare you to sing at me. No, don't touch me.
What would you do in Australia right now?
Suck Australian.
And what would you do?
Then suck more Australian.
Jesus.
I don't think it looks that bad. Yeah, it looks good, right? I'm such a good makeup artist. This is a pretty cotton candy inspired little look.
I like the view.
You're my best view. Okay, that's okay. Just go pee.
I will.
That's okay. Yeah, that's good. I have to pee too. Okay. I'm gonna miss you, Trevor.
I'll miss you too.
Okay. This glitter is dry.
The house down boots.
The house down boots.
Mom.
The glitter is mama. I'm gonna do my mascara. Oh, I have to take a shot now because I finished my eyeshadow.
Lewis.
I know.
He wants to take a shot. He said,
Just take a little one.
Baby, there's no cap.
Oh, there's no cap. There's no cap.
There's no cap, baby.
I like the view.
Period.
Your lips are looking crusty.
I don't have.
Filled.
No, I don't have
chapstick vibes.
Yeah.
strawberry chopstick like Debbie Ryan.
Strawberry chapstick. Strawberry chapstick.
Hey, just say, woo.
Okay, you're almost finished.
I know. Let me finish. Let me finish. Uh-oh. Oh my god, I got mascara on my face.
Alright, James, all you got is lips.
No. He got one more lash on.
It's it's highlighter time. I'm a good makeup artist.
You're just literally so close. All you have is lips. You're so close.
I have to pee. I've never had to pee more in my entire
James,
life.
Go to pee.
You can't go pee.
No one's stopping you. Go pee.
Okay. Uh-oh.
You feel that, huh?
Oh yeah.
How is it?
It's drunk. Okay. Louis, don't tell me when I have to pee.
Ryan, bro, I'm so sorry.
Hello,
We literally
everybody.
just have like,
Today
come on.
I will be showing you guys
No,
a
wait,
little
come on,
ASMR
come on,
minutes
come on.
called Eating
Cassie, move!
TikTok Popcorn
Cassie,
Happy Birthday Edition from TikTok. And
Just lips, just lips.
Okay, I'm gonna put on my lips.
Are you done?
I should have never gotten filler. This is so hard with lip filler. My lips are so big.
Alright, James, is that it?
I think I'm done.
Yep, setting spray, and then you're done. Perfect. Okay, that's good. That's good. Alright, not too much.
I can get some more for you.
Yeah, no, James, we're good, James. James.
What?
That's enough, that's enough.
Oh gosh. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is, okay you guys, this is my finished drunk makeup tutorial inspired by the Sisterland cotton candy hoodie that I'm wearing right now. Available at sisters-apparel.com. Make sure you guys make sure you guys shop now. Just kidding. I'm pretty sure it's sold out, so you can't even shop it. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe if you have not already. Come join the sisterhood. We are 19 million sisters strong, and I would love to. And also click that bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook are all just James Charles. My Snapchat for more behind the scenes type stuff is James Charles, with an extra S after Charles. And if you'd like to text me on my personal phone number, I normally hold up my telephone, but Lewis took my phone so I don't send any boys any stupid text messages. My phone number is 310-905-8746. This video's sister shout out goes to James Charles because it's my birthday today. Thank you so much for always following and supporting. I love you so much. But if you want to be the next video sister shout out, don't forget to always retweet my retweet my video links and they go live on Twitter, and make sure you turn on my YouTube post notifications. Thank you so much for watching this drunk makeup tutorial. I promise this is never gonna happen again, but I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Can we just?
Look at Drew in there. Drew is drunk.
Oh shit.
Drew, you're my best friend. I love you.
Should I take off your makeup for you?
Yeah. Can you take it off?
Okay, Mama, we're going into surgery.
Okay.
We have some unfortunate news.
What?
You're ugly.
Oh, smack that ass. Come on. You guys are literally gonna sweat.
Take it off then.
Take what off?
You said you're gonna sweat.
Oh,
Yeah, so lift.
yeah.
Take off all your clothes.
Come on, man.
What?
You should take 2 Advils. Otherwise, you're gonna feel like. You just popped Molly.
I'm sweating.